We're here. Oh, it's so cute.
I know that is. Look at this room.
Okay. So here's our room. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, it is so nice. Oh my gosh. It's so cute in here. Shower. Oh, those sinks are so cool. Baylee, what do you think? Oh, look. Let's see if I can get out. How do I open? Oh, there we go. And we have a balcony. This view is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Oh my Lord.
You wanna go look outside?
You wanna look outside? Go ahead. So here's our room. So cute. What do you think? Yeah, that's fun.
Wild butt, girlfriend.
This view is so pretty, isn't it? Yeah. What is that? What is that? What? You want to take a bath? Huh?
Huh? What's that?
It's so comfy.
Which one?
You walked the whole squad and first died.
What?
Tell me, did you see that combat axe there?
Yeah.
And then what's that one?
So cute. There's a ton of mirrors too.
For the...
Ooh.
No.
Help me out.
Did you see the ones where I
We're coming back down, E. Are y'all taking a picture?
Yeah, look at that. See if you can get one like that, huh?
Wow. Hang on.
Hashtag no filter.
Wow. Come on. Mommy, hold your, hang on, hold Mommy's hand. Be really careful, okay? I love your mini pajamas and socks. Yeah, you're doing good. Good job. Hold on to the rail, okay? You got it? Mommy's got you. Mommy's got you. You're okay. Good job. Good job, baby. Whoa, careful. Oh my gosh. There's a bear up there. I know, I saw it. Where'd it go?
He ran away.
That was crazy. So we're here.
They get one phone and that's it. I'm asking her. Ian, look at Baylee drinking their milk. Look here. Look at Look at that mommy. They're drinking that milk like crazy. Can I drink some? No, I'm not eating that. I love it, but I'm not eating it.
Get your bite.
Here you go. Mommy, let me give her some more. Here's some more, babe. No, here it is. Oh, I'll give you milk. Love. That's love.
Yeah, full floor there. Have they all like started like have a garage down here. You can have a 3-car garage right here. Yeah.
Say that.
Tomato. Oh God.
She's cut her whole hand in like that house valley, but please. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm
Don't you know?
Let her get the biggest piece that she wants or
Sissy,
whatever.
get the biggest piece. I'll take this piece.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you